Good morning, everyone. I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about my morning routine. This English is easy for you. Let's start. My alarm clock rings at 7:30. I open my eyes. I am still sleepy. Then I get up and open the window. I like the fresh air. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It makes me feel awake. I also brush my teeth. I smile in the mirror. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I sit at my table and check my phone for 10 minutes. I read the news and look at my emails. After breakfast, I get dressed. I put on a clean shirt and pants. I comb my hair quickly. Finally, I take my bag and my keys. I say bye-bye to my house. Now, tell me, what do you do first? Write a comment. What do you do in the morning? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Daily English Channel.